Today I'm going to share the Mashreq Neo and Mashreq Bank customer care numbers. Whether you are in the UAE or abroad, you'll be able to reach support. This is really useful if you have any issues with your Mashreq account, your debit card, or any other complaints. You can personally verify this Mashreq Neo customer care number by opening your app, tap on services, and then tap on call us now. Guys, as you can see on the screen, the Mashreq Neo banking customer care numbers are 044 244 and again 44 for those people who are inside UAE. For the people outside UAE, the number is 971 4424 4444. But here is the reality. Most customers get frustrated because they cannot reach a live agent on these Mashreq Neo customer care numbers. The best option is to raise your complaint directly through the Mashreq Neo mobile banking app. It's faster, more reliable, and ensures that your issue gets resolved. And let me know what you think about the Mashreq Bank customer service.